men, and I use the term loosely. Just a short video, so let's get right to the points. This is a set of V-twin points. I installed a set like this in the Rat Rod chopper. The owner called me, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, said it wasn't running quite right, and he had taken a look at the point compartment and it was full of brown dust. The brown dust, I assume, was the follower block wearing off. This particular point is even more defective. It probably has the same soft material on the follower block, and this set is impossible to adjust correctly. The slot needs to be about yay much bigger, this area in black over here. You can't move them far enough over to get the point gap small enough to be within the acceptable range. Anyway, V-twin defective points, part number as such. Back to the point of this video. These are Chevy 6-cylinder 250 cubic inch engine points. They were listed on the automotive website as for 69 Chevy 2, I believe. Not identical to look at, but functionally identical. They fit on the Harley backing plate. The slot is in the right position to get a correct adjustment on them. They have a stud and nut arrangement to hold the wire and the condenser on instead of this little springy clip. The spring on the points is much stiffer than this spring, so I assume they're going to do less bouncing around on you. Anyway, the Chevy equivalent of the V-twin copy of the Harley points. I got these at Napa. Part number as indicated, CS788. If you start searching for Chevy 6-cylinder point sets for 250 motor, there's lots of them. Napa has 3 equivalents of this number. Anyway, shortest version. V-twin. V-twin. No good. Napa. Chevy 6-cylinder. Good. And with that, I am out of here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.